Bria, how's college?
Not good. I've had the hiccups for 15 minutes. Remember that lady on Grey's Anatomy that died from the hiccups?
Oh, I saw that one. The hiccups were a symptom of a tumor. Dan?
Or, this might be a stretch, they may just be hiccups.
What if it's persistent or intractable?
You've been Googling. Persistent means more than 2 days. Intractable means more than a month. 15 minutes? That's a lot less.
Tell her to suck on a lemon wedge.
Maybe it's GERD, or like carbonated drinks, or that sketchy chili from your dining hall. Are these fresh? Do you ever get food poisoning?
Tell her to sip water through a straw while plugging your ears.
According to the internet, if you pull on your tongue 15 times or press on your eyeballs, it can stop hiccups.
Don't pull your tongue, you'll hurt yourself.
None of that. Hiccups are just involuntary contractions of your diaphragm and intercostal muscles, your breathing muscles, with a sudden glottis closure.
Ladies and gentlemen, the world's most boring TED Talk.
So what do I do, Dad?
Tell her to gargle with freezing cold water for like 30 seconds. I read that somewhere.
Start simple. Hold your breath. Breathe into a paper bag. Or try a Valsalva maneuver.
That's the one where you pretend you're pooping.
Yeah, that. Then do my super maximal inspiration. First, blow all your air out. Now, big breath in, then hold for 10. 2 more mini inhales, holding for 5 seconds each. And rub your eyes while you do it.
Is this for real? Will she pass out?
It's been studied. Elevated CO2 stops the hiccups.
Wait, I think they're gone.
Ah, the sweet smell of...
Good thing that worked. I was about to read the article about curing hiccups by digital rec.
Tell us about that some other time.
So it's not a tumor?
Only if hiccups last more than 2 days, then we see a doctor. Otherwise, no Grey's Anatomy ER visits.
Copy that. Oh no.
Oh.